Gusto mo bang magka-client sa online pero ayaw mo ng hard selling, non-stop messaging, or magbayad ng malaki sa ads? I get you. Kasi I built my businesses and got clients without running any ads, without messaging random people, and without hiring a big team. How? By sharing content with purpose. Ano ito? Let me walk you through it step by step. Okay? But before that, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sally, a content creator, entrepreneur, and mindset and mortgage mentor. But before that, I was just a tired nurse working double shifts, walang time, walang energy, pero may pangarap. And that dream to create a business na aligned sa passion ko and to do it in a way na hindi ko kailangan magsakripisyo ng oras sa pamilya. So when I started, I wasn't a marketing expert. Anong alam ko dyan? Nurse ako, di ba? I don't have any business background at all. I didn't even know what content strategy meant. All I had was this deep feeling na I have something to share and someone out there needs to hear it. So, I posted. I shared my story, I shared my passion, I showed up kahit pa mga zero views pa yung mga videos ko dati. And slowly, people started watching, then trusting, then sending messages like, paano mo ginagawa yan? Pwede ba rin ako dyan? Do you offer services? Can I book a call with you? What products do you have? Paano mo masasolve ito? Meron ba kayong mga ganito? That's how I got my first customers and clients. Not through chasing them, but by attracting them. And you know what's crazy? Even dun sa Picoy, yung pet brand namin, it happened the same way. Okay, so my husband loves birds. I created a YouTube channel and a Facebook page just to share our passion and share everything that we know about birds. No plans, no business idea. Just stories, tips, real life pet owner moments. And then, one day, marami nang nagme-message. Dumadami na yung mga views namin. Meron ba kayong binibentang vitamins? Meron ba kayong ganitong mga klaseng ibon? And then we created our own product, our own brand. And people kept buying and buying and buying ever since because we were just selling, we were serving, we were providing solution to all their problems. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 content shifts that I made to start attracting clients organically in all of my brands. Okay, so what are those? Number 1 is no chasing and started sharing. No cold messages. No hi po sa mga DMs. And no begging for attention. Instead, I told stories. I shared my journey. I educate. I gave value. Whether I was just showing how I close mortgage deals while camping with my kids, or whether I'm just showing how we take care of the birds and parrots, or sharing, how we turn my husband's passion into a product line, I just kept showing up. No pressure to sell, just service. And you know what I discovered? People don't buy from experts. They buy from people they connect with. Okay? So here's number 2 shift is I focus on problem solving content, not pretty content. Okay, so let's be real. You don't need Canva perfect post or fancy B-roll to grow online. You just need clarity. Clarity on what? Clarity on who you are helping. Sino ba yung mga gusto mong tulungan? What problems they have? How can you solve their problems? And that's why I created content pillars. So I could rotate between educational posts to storytelling, results-based, motivational, and behind-the-scenes content. And guess what? Those content types positioned me as the go-to person, not the pushy seller, but the trusted guide. If you want those pillars, comment pillar in the comment section and I'm going to send them to you. Okay? So the number 3 content shift that I did is I stayed consistent. even when I felt like no one was watching. Okay? So in the beginning, it felt like I was talking to air. One like, zero comment, walang engagement, walang nanonood. Di ba nakaka-discourage? Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay lang yan because I am planting seeds. And those seeds turned into leads and leads into loyal followers and loyal followers into paying clients and customers over and over and over and over again. And now I wake up with messages saying, I've been watching your videos for months. Alam mo, silent viewer lang ako noon, pero now I'm ready to work with you. Or messages like, thank you for your content. It gave me courage to start, mga ganon. So, hindi ko kailangang mag-DM ng mga, hi po, how are you? Kasi sila na mismo ang lumalapit every single day kahit tulog ako. And I want you to remember this, okay? Content is an asset, okay? Remember that. Content is an asset. You don't need to go viral to attract clients. Although I did on the Mortgage Pinay page, one of my brands, I have one reel that hit 1 million views in just 24 hours. I'm going to share that story in another video. But even before that, we already have consistent customers because I treated content as an asset, not just a post. Every reel, every video, every caption was a seed, a silent salesperson, a magnet for my ideal clients and customers. So if you're a freelancer, a coach, an entrepreneur, a service provider, or a kahit small business owner lang with a phone and a dream, you can attract clients by simply showing up with purpose. Just serve. Your customers and clients will come to you because they see you as a trusted guide. They see you as a trusted person who can help them with their problems. And that's exactly what I did on all the brands and all the businesses I built from content. Now, your next step after watching this video is I want you to watch this next video where I share 5 content pillars you can use right now to create posts that attract, connect, and convert kahit walang ads. And if you want the free content to client playbook, download it below. It's my exact roadmap when I was starting out. You don't have to chase clients. You can attract them with your story, your voice, and your value. And I'll see you on the next video.